Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a ghost in a jar. Okay, so I'm going to go over here and draw a line across here for the top of the jar. I'm going to line down over here for kind of like the lid of the jar area. Curving in on this side. Curving in on this side. Line down. Okay. Line down. So what we do on this channel is we go over how to draw Halloween related topics, super Halloween, mostly all year round, but most importantly during the season of Halloween. So if you like that kind of stuff, if you like learning how to draw Halloween lessons, I go over 90% of the lessons on here are for beginners. There's a couple on here that are a little bit more complicated. But if you like that kind of stuff, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification, okay? It's not just going to subscribe you for this year. It's going to subscribe you for next year when it starts rolling around, right? The algorithm's going to start kicking out, Halloween videos again next year and the year after that, so you never have to think about it again. So absolutely hit the subscribe, okay? That's going to help you with that kind of stuff. Curve underneath the bottom of this bottle shape and curve up. Line across, line underneath, line underneath. Go over here, circle. Circle. Over here, I'm going to draw a circle here for the mouth area. Okay? Right on. Then, I'm going to go over here, fill in the eye. Fill this in. Fill in this eye. Fill this in. Fill in that, okay? Gonna go over here, fill in this as well. It's kind of, again, just kind of filling in the shape on this jar. Very, very simple. Nothing wild about it. Very, very simplistic design. Like so. All right, and there you go. What I'm going to do now for this jar, right? It's a very simple jar. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to put a thicker line around the edge, and that's going to give it a just kind of a little bit more of a sticker look, which is kind of what you want, right? You want a sticker look. Go around here. And that's it. Very, very, very simplistic design. That's pretty much it. A ghost, kind of like a ghost jar. All right, thank you. That's it. What I want you to do, if you want to learn how to draw anything and everything, go to the main website at sketchingeasy.com. There's going to be a beginner drawing lesson over there. Like you just click on the dragon, you go over there, you basically learn the super, super, super basics of all drawing. Okay. And it's gonna, what it's gonna do, for example, if you have shaky hands while you draw, this is gonna get rid of it like in a week. Okay, go over there, do it free, 100% free. It's for this, honor of like visiting the site. It's free, so check it out. Talk to you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My iDrawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.